thank you for logging on to nutriwest.co.nz. If you're viewing this, you're obviously a healthcare provider who wants to take better care of their patients. And let me tell you a little story about why I think Nutriwest is a very, very, very important company in the world of natural healthcare. First and foremost, I'm a chiropractor. I'm an endocrinologist by training, in that I've trained through bioidentical hormones and all of the anti-aging faculties that with Synergenics, with American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine, and I now train other doctors in drugless methods of taking care of anti-aging concerns and improving human performance through the International Academy of Prevention, Performance, and Longevity. But long before that, back in the early 1970s, I was trained by Dr. Goodhart, Dr. Blake, Dr. Walther, and Dr. White. Now, Paul White was an interesting individual. Paul and Dave both wrote the initial text in applied kinesiology, and they were my teachers also. But during that time, we were instrumental in getting Paul up to speed and helping him develop the company Nutriwest. Now, as he did that, you probably don't know that every major kinesiologist at the time helped develop those formulations. So they came from clinicians in the field. I was one of those. And in addition to that, since that time, over the last 25 years, every major chiropractic nutritionist in the world has contributed to the development of these clinically proven lines. So that's a phenomenal story in itself. But what you probably don't know is that 25 years ago, when the FDA was looking on how to regulate the vitamin industry, they actually came to Nutriwest, and in conjunction with Nutriwest, developed a method and a quality control system of vitamin production that today are the goods and manufacturing practices that are the industry standards. So Nutriwest was way ahead of the curve there, and actually helped set the curve that others are still trying to achieve. So as I came back to New Zealand to create my new home, I needed these products as I went back into practice about 10 years ago. And doing that, having those products for my patients, of course, the Whites asked, please, would you make these products available to Australia and New Zealand? Now we have, and in this particular time, you'll see on this website, there's a massive amount of information that is clinically relevant. If you just click on the product by usage page, you'll see that if you have a pituitary problem, or a thyroid problem, or an adrenal problem, or a digestive problem, it will lead you to products and a discussion of how to use those products that'll give you some confidence when dealing with your patient's concerns. So thank you for logging on. Please don't hesitate to contact us at your convenience, and we'll send you out information, and we'd like to meet you. Thank you very much.